Today, we're diving into a flagship that's turning heads with its unique blend of style and performance, the AQUOS R9 Pro. This isn't just another smartphone with a sleek, Leica-inspired design and some serious camera chops. It's a fresh take on what a premium device can be. Let's get into it, starting with the look and feel. The AQUOS R9 Pro rocks a single, all-black design that screams elegance. The standout feature, that large, Leica-styled camera module on the back. It's designed to feel like a high-end camera in your hands. The textured back and premium side buttons complete its stylish, high-end vibe, making it feel like something unique in the world of smartphones. Now, onto the display. The R9 Pro sports a 6.7-inch screen with minimal bezels for a sleek look. This display gets seriously bright, peaking at 1200 nits, so visibility, even in direct sunlight, is fantastic. And with an adaptive refresh rate from 1 Hz to 120 Hz, every scroll, swipe, and video is super smooth, giving you an amazing viewing experience. One of the R9 Pro's best features is the camera. With a dedicated shutter key, snapping photos feels like using a traditional camera, and the triple Leica-tuned setup. It's all about delivering high-quality images and videos, so if you're a photography enthusiast, this phone has you covered. Leica's tuning brings out stunning details, colors, and depth in every shot. Under the hood, we've got the powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Whether you're gaming or multitasking, the R9 Pro handles it all smoothly. Plus, with its dual thermal management system using vapor chambers, it stays cool even during intensive use. So, if performance is key, this phone is more than up to the task. When it comes to storage, you're getting a solid 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of internal storage, though there's no SD card slot for expansion. It's also rocking the latest Wi-Fi 7 for super-fast connectivity and an AI-powered phone assistant that can summarize call content, perfect for keeping you productive on the go. So, there you have it. The AQUOS R9 Pro is a powerhouse wrapped in a premium design, ideal for those who want style and performance in one sleek package. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and if you'd rock this Leica-inspired design. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tech reviews. Catch you in the next one.